Creamy, punchy, and full of flavour, your new Midweek lifesaver. Chop your potatoes into chunks and get them boiling. You want them soft and fluffy, proper mash ready. While that's happening, brown off your diced chicken in a pan with some oil. Don't forget to season them. Golden edges, that's the goal. You'll see it when it's right. Chop the garlic and toss it in the pan with the Cajun spice. Instant kick. Stir through passata, stock, and a pinch of sugar. Let it bubble till thick and glossy. Sweet, smoky, sticky perfection. Now stir in creme fraiche and cheese till it's silky smooth. Drain your spuds, mash with butter and a splash of warm milk. Then toss in the spinach just until it wilts. Rich, tender, the ultimate base. Spoon that velvety Cajun chicken over the mash with a sprinkle of cheese. Absolutely bang on for midweek. You just smashed dinner. Simple, quick, and full of flavour. If you liked that one, hit share and subscribe for more quick kitchen wins.
Hello.